Hey guys, Anthony with the Rad Company, and joining me, Jamie the Cleaner.
Hello.
We are here at Car Supplies Warehouse for the Creator event, and we've been having a fantastic time.
Oh yeah.
Jamie, what do you think so far?
So far, it's very busy. You know,
Yep.
You wake up and you're off to work, and it's film. You know, talk, handshake, kiss baby. that kind of deal. So it's
Something like that.
busy, but it's been fantastic.
Yeah, man, the bays here is, like, the facility here at this warehouse is just absolutely phenomenal and totally like a dream come true for any detailer, any enthusiast
Right.
out there. And this store that we're in right now, also absolutely amazing. The ambient lighting, the TVs, all of the brick wall, and all of the products. This just feels like I'm at home. You know what I mean?
And it gives us a great canvas to make some content with.
Make amazing
You got the
content
wash
with.
bays, you got this awesome storefront. Like you said, it's beautiful. Everything's been dialed in from a Car Supplies Warehouse, and Jason's done a fantastic job.
Yeah, no, it's killer. So
Yeah.
basically, we're just going through and we're just getting interviews and just talking to people. Jamie is so close to home here at TRC, and he represents us so well.
Yeah.
I just wanted to get his thoughts and opinions. Will you be back here next year?
We'll see. I don't know.
We'll
see if I get the invite back.
We'll see if you get the invite.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
And
I think so.
But
We're gonna say yes.
But everybody's getting along, right? Everybody's
Oh,
having
yeah.
an awesome time.
I believe so.
And what kind of content have you shot?
So we filmed a couple videos about some high quality microfiber. A couple videos with TRC, how they pair up with certain products. We did a wireless wash that's SiO2.
SiO2, yeah.
Which is silica infused.
Yeah.
Something like that. And who have I worked with? I've done a couple podcasts.
Yep.
I've done a couple long forms, a lot of short form for the shorts and the TikTok, that kind of
Yep.
thing. Everybody's like short form content. I've been very successful with that lately, so trying to pump out as many of them as I can. Keeping it really educational, I think, is the purpose here of coming here to pair up with vendors like the Rad Company.
Yeah, dude, that's awesome, man.
Yeah.
Well, Jamie, we're always happy to see you, man. Thank you so much, dude. It's like it's always awesome seeing fans of the TRC and just people that are so involved in the detailing industry under one roof. It's always a good time. So we're gonna keep grabbing people. So who's next on the list?